Alright guys, I'm going to try to make it through this video of problem solving, but I have the hiccups, so don't laugh when I'm hiccuping, okay? So it's, so Mrs. Franklin bought 24 boxes of crayons for her class supply. Each box of crayons contained 48 crayons. How many individual crayons did Mrs. Franklin purchase? So today we're going to do our, and I've tried to wait to make this video so I'm over the hiccups and they won't go away. Alright, so today we're going to do, oh gosh, our cube strategy first. So I'm going to circle my numbers. Let's see, we've got 24, 48, and that's it. Okay. Then we're going to underline our question. How many individual crayons did Mrs. Franklin purchase? Okay, and then we're going to box any words. Let's see, Mrs. Franklin bought 24 boxes of crayons for her class supply. If you buy something, you're adding to your supply, so that could be a keyword. I'm going to box it. We might eliminate it later. Let's see. Each box contains 48. Each is a keyword sometimes. How many individual crayons did Mrs. Franklin purchase? Okay, so we're looking for a total number of crayons. All right, so I'm going to mark off the word bought. I think each is more important because each can mean multiply or divide. But if I'm looking for a total number of crayons, I'm going to be multiplying to find my total. All right. So now I'm ready. My journal page is falling out. I am just going to do my U box today. So I'm going to rewrite this question as a statement. How many individual crayons did Mrs. Franklin purchase? I will find the, and I'm going to write it differently. I'm not going to write it word for word because I want y'all to get more comfortable writing this in your own words. So I will find the total number. That's not always in a hashtag. It's the sign for number. I will find the total number of crayons. Okay. That's it for today.